Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting video related on QuillBot. In this video, I'll provide you detailed demonstration how to check plagiarism using QuillBot if you have premium subscription. So it's really authentic or worth to purchase as a premium subscription. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start as a laptop screen. As a demonstration, simply open here QuillBot. This is my QuillBot and this is my premium subscription. If you want check as a plagiarism, so you need to get premium subscription. If you are watching my video and if you want purchase QuillBot premium subscription, you can use my code Sangram40 and receive 40% discount of your premium subscription. You need to premium subscription, simply click here and here 20 pages available. I just simply upload here one of file. You can upload here file as a doc file or PDF file. I just simply upload here doc file, checking page and wait couple of seconds and we are receiving here entire information how much percentage plagiarism are available on my particular research article. If you see here, this is my as a demo research article, one page. Let's see how much percentage we are receiving on plagiarism, and this plagiarism are really helpful or not. We can see here, wait couple of seconds. Look at this here, 2 page will be used for the scan. Do you want continue? Yes, scan. So if you have PhD thesis, so you can distribute your PhD thesis at least 90 or 20 pages and then upload here and scan, and your entire documents are automatically saved here and you can access anytime and any devices. This all data store and online. Little take time. If you upload like a 20 page, so you can just put it here and the scanning process is going on and you can work different types of work, and after that you can come here half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, and then you can see here your results. So look at this, my scan is completed, view report. So look at this here, 35% match data, this plagiarism is found and that one is absolutely correct. Look at this here, identical like this one, major changes, paraphrasing, which data, where you collect, the all links are also available here, just one paragraph. So these are the data. I just copy and paste, but I'm not copy and paste entire documents. Even if you can see here, generative adversarial network is a type of machine learning model that contains of two neural network, generative and discriminative. This is a basic fundamental definition of GAN, but you can modify this definition, and after that you can very easily remove entire plagiarism. It's very easy. We can change here simply and standard academic and paraphrase. I just simply copy and again paste here. I save and we can see here another, the first line. We can change here the first line also, the first full stop. Again I go back here, paraphrasing as academic. I save this file. Again I back here, I simply delete. Again I upload this file, and now let's see the plagiarism is removed or not. So in this video you can receive like a how to plagiarism check. If I am receiving plagiarism, I just fraction of second modify entire paragraph using paraphrasing, same as it is in QuillBot. Again I save, again I upload, and let's see. Yes, continue to scan and let's see how much percentage results we are receiving. Now scan is completed, view report, and look at this here, matching is 0%, and now my plagiarism report is 0. Just I check the plagiarism with QuillBot and receive here 16% plagiarism. Suddenly I copy this plagiarism content, paraphrase this plagiarism particular paragraph, put it here, again check plagiarism, and now no plagiarism is found. That is the beauty of QuillBot. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.